Alright guys, welcome to this new Adobe Premiere Pro new video editing live streaming class. So today we are going to be looking at some major shortcuts in video editing. So that's what we're going to be looking at. So what are the major shortcuts in what are the major shortcuts in video editing? Please, one moment, one moment. Okay, so let's continue. Sorry for that interruption. My system, this one was trying to, so I was thinking if I could switch to the other one, but it just come up. Okay, so we'll start from uh, the most common one, which is the selection button. So the selection button is to select a clip, Now, as we, if you are being a computer user, you will know that Control C is for copy and Control V is for paste. So the same thing is also applicable in video editing, especially in Premiere Pro to be precise. So let's go to our computer folder now. Maybe we'll copy a file. Okay, this is our computer folder here. So let's go to desktop and let me bring in one video file. Okay, let me bring out this firewall. Let me copy it. I just copied it now. So let me come here. Then let me paste it. Sorry. Okay. Copy now. Okay. So let me move it here. Okay, it's now copying. Okay, it has copied now. So look at something. We'll click on this file, which is the fireworks. We'll click on it. We'll press Ctrl C on our keyboard. Then let's move forward few frames. Then press Ctrl V. You see the file now is duplicated. You see the file now duplicated. So which is Ctrl C, Ctrl V. That means to copy and to paste a file in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, next now, let's look at the next button, which is the razor tool, and the shortcut for it is just you press the C button. So now let me press C. So now I just press the C button on my keyboard now. Then I bring it to anywhere on the timeline of the video that I want to split into two. And after I've done that, then the next is V. Then I press V on my keyboard. Then I select it, then delete. I press the delete button and that file is deleted. Then another important button is Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z means to undo an action that you've done or to reverse an action that you've done. Maybe you've done something, maybe you made a mistake by either you deleting something or by executing an action that you were not supposed to execute. So by the time you just press Ctrl V, it reverses that action. Then the next item is T. That means the text button. The T is to add a text, to your video or your video file or the project you're working with. So let me bring it to 50%. So by the time you bring that T, you can type anything. So after typing, you can highlight it. After you highlight, you select, then you go to Effect Controls. That's where you can do more manipulation to that text. You go to Effect Control. From there, you can change the color of the text. From this panel here, you can change the color of the text to any color you wish. You click OK. Then if you want the text to be stroked, as the surrounding of the body of the text, you apply this. So with that now, you see that the color of the text is changing, the outer layer. Then let's say we want to increase the size, we can use this scale button to increase the size of the text. Then if we want to align the text to the center, we use this button to align it. Then if we want to change the text to all capital letters, we use this. It becomes T. Then if we want to use capital letter, we use this TT. That's meaning all caps or all capital letter. So guys, that's a short one there in video editing. Then I want to remove this space, this blank space between the text and the two fireworks now. Then I can also move this text to come on top of this this item. So after I've done that, I can now export. Okay. So I can move this text on top of this video file. So after I've done that, let's assume that I'm now satisfied with my work. Let me just play it. Okay, let's assume I'm satisfied with my work now. So instead of me to go to the file button and go to export and media to export it. You can see that the shortcut for this is Ctrl M. That's to export the video to become a finished product. I'll just press on my keyboard Ctrl M. By the time I've done that, the dialog window for video exportation will pop out, and it will require me the size and the preset that I wish to export the video. Okay, so you see the items here. So let me just export. All of the video is showing the file size. So with that, your video is exported. It's exported. So that's a short one over there. See you in our next class.